Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for helping kids with sensory issues fly more successfully. So if you have a child with lots of sensory issues and you are concerned about air pressure when the plane is ascending and descending, I would strongly suggest beefing up your travel kit with some nice oral sensory tools that will help them to get more swallows in. So hopefully that will alleviate some of the pressure within the ear type of region. So the oldest trick in the book, the one that I remember using as a child myself, was chewing gum or taking sips of water, sips of some type of a drink. So remember that those types of things can be very successful. Now, if you have a younger child, chewing on something, maybe some jewelry that they may have already, can be very successful. Giving them some little snacks, something that is actual food. So you could use nutritives or non-nutritives, but the idea is that you want to make sure that your child is swallowing so that way it's alleviating any sensation in the ear region that may be occurring when the plane is ascending or descending. So remember to beef up your sensory toolkit. If you haven't seen the oral sensory toolkit video for a portable one, take a look. It's got some good ideas in it as well. So give that a try, and hopefully that will make your flight much more successful.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow.